If you've ever lost power during a storm or a blackout, or just want power with an RV or when you're camping, you're absolutely going to love this power station. It will keep the essentials charged and let you keep getting power. I'm going to walk you through everything. This thing is absolutely awesome. So let's get into it. All right off the bat, they give you this quick start guide to get you going. You're going to want to download their app, because you can control this from the app as well. So this is what it looks like. Couple things right off the bat. Love the fact that you can see how much power is in here. It's super clear. You know there's 53% power juice left in this. You don't have to guess with bars. This is on wheels as well, and they could be locked and unlocked, which is really, really nice. This thing just has a ton of power. It has 3072 watts of power. So this could keep our fridge going. This could keep the lights on. This could also power devices, which is really, really nice. And you have fast charging options as well. You have the 240 outlet, which you could fully recharge in about 1.2 hours, which is great. We have the wireless charger up here. So you could just put your devices right on top and get them charged. Over here, we have where you're going to charge most of your devices. So you got the USB-C over here, and then you got the USBs over here. So no matter whether you have Apple or you just have USB stuff, you can get them plugged in. You could also turn this off or on, so you don't have to keep everything on if you're not using it, which is great. You have this over here as well if you need to charge it with your car or RV, which is great. It comes with all these cables, so you don't need to worry about anything like that. And then this side is where we're gonna plug in all the power. You got this huge plug right over here. You have these outlets over here, which is really, really nice. And then over here, this is where we have all this stuff. So we have the breaker reset over here. You got the solar. You can plug this into solar panels as well. You got outlet over there. You could change the fast. You could do fast, slow on the AC charge speed. You got the battery chargers down here as well. This thing is absolutely amazing. I mean, I feel so much better knowing that we have this. This is also great on the road as well. So if you wanted to go camping or have an RV, this power station can do it all. Keep your devices changed, protect yourself from if there's major storms or damage, or if you just want to have peace of mind. Definitely get this power station. This thing is absolutely amazing. And a huge thank you to the brand for sending this over so I could do this review.